Good morning, good morning. Man, I had some issues today, man. Basically had to reset up everything from ground up. That's what I've been working on. Still not all the way there, but I still be able to stream and trade. We'll see how it goes. Good morning, Miss Lauren. What's up, Donnell? So today we see that previous man LGVN just went nuts yesterday in the aftermarket. It just didn't care. We got G Tech also up. Greenland Technology shares jump after launching second vehicle line. Okay. And GRCL. Those are the main movers right now that I see. We'll see how those go throughout the day. But I'm going to continue working on getting everything set back up while we're waiting. I like multitasking and not wasting time. So, all right. Dang. Sold your shares without a sell order. Man, you might need to contact them on that. They selling without a stop. Oh my goodness. They selling without a stop loss. I need to figure out. Maybe I need to restart my computer because I downloaded so much stuff this morning. I restarted after the stream to kind of get everything back in whack. Let me go to. It was a bot sale. Mm. Good morning, Daniel B. Yeah, that doesn't make any sense. It being a bot sale. All right, so let me log out of this and log into the live account so we can do some live trading. So today there will be no scalps because I'm not using any hotkeys, so I only be buying pretty much things that I want to hold for a little bit of time, not all day, but just hold for a bit, just to get some profits off of it. I did not check this camera. Let's see. Okay, the camera is on. Street Smart Edge up. Ugh, what just happened? Street Smart Edge. Okay, yeah, we good. Sold 500 shares of LGVN before market close. 4K was left on the table. Yeah, LGVN, man. I really thought that news was not as strong as it looked, but boy, that thing got up and just ran. All right, so LVGN. Think that's got a lot of falling to do. Probably gonna be waiting the first couple of minutes of the market open because I mean, there's no point. It was up. I think it was up almost 100% yesterday or something like that. It was up a lot. Add it over here to the watch. LGVN. G Tech. Electric vehicle news again. G Tech. So we'll watch that one. And then GRCL. Orphan drug tag. CAR T cell therapy. I don't know about all that. Whoa. Daily chart on GRCL looks very weird. Dip down here to the 827 and now jump backs up. What did it jump back up to? Almost the 11, but it's still in a nice downtrend. Good morning, One Life. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where did my chat just go? Get my chat back on. Don't play like that. Okay, pen. Taskbar. Move that back over. Where, oh, where? All right. What's up, Lori? We are about to see LGVN probably dump hard today. Friday, not a good day to be dumping. Or not a good day to be moving up really big. There's going to be some really big sell-off. All right. Hmm. Man, I got so much testing to do today. What do you mean? This has always been set to 10 years back. Daniel B, this is literally every time I had to re-download everything today. Like I had to redo all of Windows and everything. The market just opened as well. All right, so let's get y'all over here to Street Smart and we'll kind of see what happens here. LGVN, did you go down yet? LGVN getting on down there. Look at that gap up. This thing's gonna give so much red today. Oh, it's over with for that one. G-Tech is the one I'm looking at, but it's gonna have to pull back some. G-Tech up 72%. LGVN trying to pop back up there, but I don't think that's gonna work today. Both of them trying to stay green on the day. LGVN struggling to get up here, but it looks like it wants to move up. I'm not playing LGVN. It's just too much motion without any pullback. G-Tech. Get a nice little grind over the 200 moving average. LGVN into a halt, looks like. Let's watch G-Tech. No, no, I sold RCUS. I haven't even looked back at it. Yeah, I literally sold out when it started filling down here. I usually don't hold them all day, especially when they're kind of just grinding. I just get my money out of there, you know. But of course, it did go up a little bit, $2 more. So waiting, waiting, waiting. I just don't understand what was the initial news that caused LGVN to go off. It was in a phase 2 clinical trial, and that was the last news. I just don't understand it. GTEC says launches second industrial vehicle line of electric wheeled front loaders. Okay. Get a little bit of sell off through here. Market is always right. Yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and see about some possible buying areas on GTEC. Let's see. Previous low was the 745. Low on the day. Let's see. 860. So 860 was that low. We'll see if it can hold that 860 as support. $860 down to the $825 area here. Then all the way down here to $760, which we definitely don't want to see it come back down to. So this will be the all-out point if it comes to that. But let's see what it wants to do. It's not giving a pullback intraday on the 15-minute yet. Almost got through there. 981. Will it push? Break of the breaking down the 975s there. Coming back up. But we're not seeing the 80s on the bid just yet. There's 75.80. Quick little push out there. LVGN still in the halt. Okay. LGVN needs to break pre-market high. I doubt it will. I really doubt it. Go to home. Let me see. I highly doubt that. Oh, I was going to check the halts. There it is coming out of the halt. Ooh, not looking too nice. Will it come back down and break this 1310? pre-market high was a 1450. That thing's about to dump. Will it break down to 13s? Getting real shady. 1325 needs to hold 1325. Got a lot of pulling back you can do, a lot of sell off here, especially for anybody that was bag holding on any of this. Only up 1% on the day, trying to get over 2%, or 1% since the open. Where is the top of this? LVGN, what was the 1444 is the high. Getting nailed there. Will this candle go back red? Will it get back under the 1350s? Well, got a little pump up there. Did not break the high yet though. 1430s, 1450s. Broke the high. Alright, so we'll definitely be watching that one. And then G-Tech about to fail out, looks like. Let that thing pull back some, man. Shorts jumping in there. Pushing it back under this flat top of the 13, 14. Oh my gosh, boy, if you bought the top there, you're in trouble. You're in big trouble. You're in horrible trouble. Oh my goodness. Don't do it to him. Did it halt going down? It's in a, I think it just got halted. So be careful out here in these streets, because it is real out here in these streets. Just got halted going down. G-Tech also halted going down. Oh boy, let's go check the SPY. Why is everything halting going down? SPY, not really looking horrible right now, but we'll see. All right, anything else moving up? G-Tech, GRCL, anything else? Bloody Friday. Good morning, J Kratz. Trit. Bloody Friday. So our top two movers are halted going down. That is not what you want to get caught in right there. OSR, for some reason got a little pump up here. 975. But it's not that volatile on the day. Anything else I need to add to the watch? SEV, S-E-V. Let me see. That's one that I traded before. Let me see what SEV wants to do down here. SEV. SEV looking okay. I'll keep a watch on SEV. EVGO also moving back up. Add that to the watch. And all right. So I got 4 stocks added to the watch now. I think that's all I want to add right now. So I just watch these. SC came all the way down here, came to a bottom. I want to see it start making those higher lows though. Move from the 25 up to the 27. But that daily chart is looking kind of questionable. And then EVGO also moving off that bottom as well. Definitely would be some later on in the day stocks to trade, not now. Steve jumping on up there. LGBN. What? Oh, okay. He should be unhalting in a little bit. I'm more interested in G Tech right now. But it is red on the day. Actually, yeah, we'll see which one of these is gonna hold up. All right, G Tech just opened up. Bouncing down there. Can we get some more motion down? LGVN also opened up there, but that one, boy, I'm not touching that one. EVGO to do a pullback. Nice little uptrend. Wonder can it get out of there though? Sev coming in. Yeah, this one's pumping on down. LGVN pumping on down. So yeah, I think those are done for the day. CNTX. Let me see what this is. CNTX. You're down. I add you to the watch. I think that's all that I see right now. So we got LGVN, GTech, Sieve, CNTX. Okay. All right, yeah, LGVN dipping on down there, going red on the day. This other one, G Tech, also pulling the same move. Sieve, interested in, waiting for a pullback on it. EVGO, interested in, waiting for a pullback. CNTX, tried to get out of there but failed. Not going to touch that one. Just waiting. ATER to the dirt. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that downtrend. Yeah, that's a scary one right there. G-Tech pulling back up here, but still got a little ways back to the green, so I'm not really trusting it. Give it a little bit of time to settle down. See through a big wick out there, what kind of pullback will it give? EVGO still going. Anything else popping up? Sava. I watched Sava as well. See what it wants to do. Sava below the 200 moving average though, so it may not give me all that I want. Move down here from the 48 up to the 52. SCV still going up. Anything giving us dips yet? Not worried about CNTX. LGVN needs to, if it goes under the 11, it's going to be bad news. G-Tech getting a little buying pressure down here. I'm still not confident in that one. Coming down to the 200 moving average, touching it, but these bars are from 790s, 832, so it is moving maybe like 70 cents, maybe. But I am gonna have to wait on this one for a little bit more pullback. Let's see. Come on, give me something. Wake up, wake up. Yep, having problems holding up that 825. See, giving a nice little dip down here. So I'm gonna be definitely looking at Sieve here. Sava getting on up there. EVGO, double top. Got a nice little push back down. Time for an Irish coffee. LGVN breaking down the 11s. G-Tech again pulling back here. But that red on the day just has me kind of iffy on it. It's got to get all the way back up to the 878s, which is 50 cents. But as the volume drops out of it, it's going to be more and more of a stretch. LGVN getting on down. Need to see those higher lows. G-Tech. Long buy up right there. Can G-Tech stay up? I may end up playing it down here if it can just stay here. It's got room down to the 785s. Looked like it was trying to get back to green on the day, but I'm going to let it consolidate just a little bit more. It's literally in this little range I said before, but it's one of those that I'm not too confident in right here. See if it can give another test above the 825s. Start holding that 825 level. Sava still grinding up. Sieve coming down here. So can Sieve go higher? 2705s. We're gonna let it test through VWAP real quick. G-Tech trying to fight back over. Will it be a struggle for it to stay green on the day? 880s. Getting up there, touching VWAP just a little bit. Wait, no, VWAP is at the 907. Is that right? Got a little bit of ways to go. Sieve. Definitely interested in this one. Saba continuing up. Anything else popping in? G-Tech trying to get up there. Green on the day. Want to see those higher lows form. So let's see. We got a 760. Let's see. Do we have a little trend here? Not getting through that 9 very strong. See, giving a nice little dip down. Sava EVGO. G-Tech, will it break down to 875s? Looks like it's getting another trend set up here, a downtrend right through here. Going back red, going back red. Waiting to see what SEV wants to do here. Can it give another lunch up or not? Running out of steam a little bit. G-Tech struggling to hold green on the day. Seen this before. Got in and got spaded because it went down. So it's going to have to prove itself to me. Get above that $9 and start holding. $9.06. Will it break the 875 downs here? Oh, SEV. That's the one. Crap. What you doing? What am I doing? Slow down, please. I did not mean to miss this one. I looked away for a second. Man. G-Tech getting on down. EVGO. Anything else gonna give me that kind of move off the bottom? This one still got some pulling back to do. Sava not looking too good, but SEV though. Man. Wow. Missed the perfect trade right there. SEV. Oh well. Doing a little feel. Had room up there to the 28.28s. See if it can give a pullback up here. Man, that thing went. LGVN. Okay, this one got above G-Tech. Went into a halt there on G-Tech. A lot of craziness going on here. EVGO. Only moved 20 cents, so I'm not really interested in that. SCV getting pumped back down there. Just took off so fast. That rip from the 27.50 up to the 28.25, 75 cents. All right, I'm taking LGVN off my scanner. I think it's got a lot of downwards motion to go. SCV. Oh. BRB. Bell ring brands took a dip. PPSI. What are you doing today? I add that to the watch. PPSI. BLNK. Sava still doing his thing. Okay. When is G-Tech coming out of this halt? 10:03 or halted at the 10:03, so it should be opening up at the 10:08:01. 10:08:01. Sieve getting on back down there. Yeah. It's not able, got that big selling pressure over the top. Was not able to get up and go. BLNK still needs to pull back. PPSI, big selling pressure over the top. Sava. What does Sava want to do today? Sava had plenty of sell-off down here, so let's see, 51.44 be a place, could be a place for it. We'll wait and see. G-Tech did bounce on up there. Definitely looking for a little rundown. So it is well above the nines now. Will it get spicy here? Will it give a big pullback? See, getting on down. VGO. Sava. Just holding the line there. BLNK. We'll focus on G-Tech until it gives up. Sava trying to get in there. Kind of like Sava for a grinder on the day. Can it get back under the 53s? Okay. Gotta do a pullback here. This one, big dip on G-Tech. All right, so let's go ahead and go to the next one. SCV dip. Sava is one that I'm watching hard. PPSI is up. Lower volume though. BLNK also grinding up. BLNK has a weird daily chart. Sava has the best setup that I see, but BLNK now is looking a lot better. Just not really wide ranges on this price range. G-Tech halted going down. PPSI getting poppy. Can Sava hold? Previous high was the 51.43. 51.43 right there. Wonder what the action will be back at that level. Can it start holding this 51.47? This one's kind of flattening out here. Definitely gonna need some more volume in that one. Sieve coming down here, getting a nice little bottom. I wonder, can it hold up here? I'm gonna let this, it's got 3 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. Definitely hard watching Sieve. See if it can get back up for us. BLNK took a rip from the 30, so a 40-cent rip right there. Not that volatile. PPSI dumped. Sava's still looks okay. So let me get rid of PPSI. Don't really want to see that one anymore. EVOG. It's moving up a little bit. I think I'm gonna let that one live on its own and just focus in on these smaller ones. Sava getting back green. Has not tested this level again of the 51.41. Is this the C one that I was just looking at? Yeah. So it went ahead and failed a little bit. Okay. Sava isn't just looking gross, but I do like it. We'll see break the 26.25s. Everything kind of slowing down except BLNK. Come on. Anything else popping on the scanners? Um, man, KZR barely moving. PPSI went down. Any CNTX. Okay. Okay, this one G-Tech just opened up. Probably has some more downward movement in it. So I'm not going to play with that one. Sava is looking better and better to me for a break to the upside. So I am going to get in just small. If it wants to pop, great. Let's see, 15, 52.75. Can that level hold? Actually, you know what? Came up here and kind of circling here. I'm gonna let this 15-minute close first. G-Tech. Will you give any more downwards motion? I think you got some more downwards motion in you. Yep. Seed going on down. Or so I thought. Seed doesn't look completely disgusting. G-Tech, I may leave alone for a while just to let it play. Keep my eye on Seed down here. Sava getting real tight. So if it can hold these levels, I may be willing to get in here. Let's see, 51.95 will be the out. I'm gonna size down since this is buying the high. But if it wants to push out, great. Man, it's just, yep, there it goes. Creep. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wait on a pullback. I want a better entry on the 15-minute. That's the problem. Making me hesitant. Sieve, what you got down here? Got a bottom of the 26.35. And coming off this daily chart just does not look like it's getting pressure to the upside like we like to see. BLNK finally giving a pullback as well. Getting real poppy there. Hmm. 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 I mean, G-Tech may come back and test the highs, but right now, Sieve is looking a lot better down here. Let's see if it can hold up. Looking good though. Bottom down here is the 26.36. About to close up this. Once it closes up this 5-minute counter, I'll kind of know what it wants to do here. On Sieve, Sava just pushed out just a little bit, coming back down, but Sieve I am definitely interested in. Got 1 minute left on this 5-minute candle. Wow, I'm trying to get up already. Dang. Let's close this 15 or this 5-minute. So this is this intraday trend line here. If it can keep this up, just stay above that 26, whatever that is. We will see. A lot of selling pressure on these previous bars though. I want to see those sellers start getting pushed if possible. Sava came on down. BLNK. Okay. So we got room all the way down here to the 26.38. Can they push you down? Let the first. Will this trend hold up? BLNK. 40-cent move out and then coming up here and making a little flat top. G-Tech continuing to lose itself down there. GBN Sava. All right, hard watch on Sava. Sava finally giving a pullback. Slowed down quite a bit. Sieve though. Want to see some red above this trend line. Can it hold this trend line here? Nice little move down there. Back under the 9 EMA. Will it be able to stay above the 26.33? Okay, got a higher low here. I got to be a head pusher. Oh, man. Well, you know, I don't want to jump into anything and risk my life and the and my money. I mean, I just haven't seen anything that's given those good setups today. Maybe people are already on an early Thanksgiving break. Don't really know. BLNK, not looking hot. Sieve continues to kind of stay above this level of 26.64. I want to give it some time though above this trend. Sava, plenty of wicks over the top. So I'm done watching Sava. It's probably got a nice move down coming. BLNK, very small little breakouts now. So done with that one as well. Let's see what you got, Sieve. Break of the 26.75 won't be looking too good. Got a nice downtrend on this thing already and fighting an overall downtrend. Right there. Looking, waiting, watching. Will it break down this trend? Getting a little buy up there. Okay. So this is a higher low. 2652 was kind of like the 2650 point was the place that it kind of checked back in on. Okay. So can we see those 80s come back up and hold? And I'll just play the bottom here. Can we see the 80s back on the bid? $81. Don't see the 80s back there yet. Throwing another wick down there. The high of this one is a 2686. Holding up this trend. So 2686. Getting ready. Will it break down or will it get the 80s back up here? $26.80s. 26.86. Trying to get down through that trend, facing some problems. Trying to pull back up now. 26.86. Can we get up? If I see those 70s come back up, I'll go ahead and put this stop order in at the 86. Don't see the 70s. Will it go ahead and break here? Break that trend, bouncing again. 26.87. Facing some problems here. Okay. 26.80. Like a possible entry. Trying to hold this trend here. Break that 26.50. Another hold. 26.50 getting attacked again. There's the break of the trend. Done with that one. All right. Let's see. G-Tech. What you trying to do? G-Tech. What is your trend? It doesn't have an intraday trend just yet. Well, it does a little bit. I'd like to see it throw a little wick down though. LGVN. BLNK. Just not moving enough for me on that one. And JIMI. How far did C fall? Just to the 50s. It came back over the 50s. Okay, let me go over here to Sieve. I thought it was over with. That is a nice recovery right there. That makes me feel real nice and warm inside. So 26.75. Can we get a break of that? 26.76. Got in right there and playing the bottom dip here. 26.76. So it did hold that trend. I would love to see it just stay above here. Can we get that hold up? Don't want to see it break down to $26. $25.99. Let's see it just hold that trend if possible. Because that was a big fake right there. 26.71. 26.71. Getting a lot of pressure here. We got another buy out there at the 71 if it wants to get on up here. Can we see those 70s back up here? Maybe not. $26.25.99. So maybe going on down on me. Low 25. So I got my out ready to go. If it doesn't want to get back up, don't want to get, yeah, it's diving on down there. It stops me out, oh well. It's looking for another pop up here if possible. Can we see that 26.25 come back in? Looking like it wants to go red on the day here soon. G-Tech. What you doing, G-Tech? W. Let me go back in here, LGV. G-Tech, LGVN. Nothing else getting that kind of movement. Kaiser, EVGO. I thought EVGO had given out. It did not. G-Tech. SCV. Okay, let's go and check out what's going on with save. Yeah, it's about to break down here. Break of the 26. Broke that trend line, could not hold it up. Not getting any more green through here. About to pull a green to red move. Looking like they can't get up here soon. G-Tech still looking like it wants to grind, but I'm not gonna mess with that right now. Can we get up and get out of here on this one? Nope, looking like it wants to actually break here. 2605 is the bottom. My out is a 25.99. Mm-mm-mm. Got stopped out of Sieve. Gave a little profit to it. Took a very low share size because I wasn't super confident in that one. Wow, PPSI dipping hard. PPSI just absolutely getting destroyed. Anybody else want to play the game? VGO. Don't see anything else giving moves. G-Tech. LVGN. LVGN. LGVN. A nice little fall down there. Can it come back up and touch that looks like the 1119s? Yeah, I don't know if I want to mess with that one. I'll keep it on watch. LGVN. VGO Annie. BLNK. Slow down a lot. Saba. I need to go watch Saba. That's the one I forgot about. Saba down here on these levels. Wonder, can I get a little bit of little taste down here of some upwards movement. Top side is the 51.44. Has a bottom down here of the 50.73 that it popped off of. Coming down to the 51, holding a little bit there. I may give it a small play here. See what it does on that 51 though. Four minutes left on that candle. G-Tech getting on down. Not liking G-Tech too much. EVGO. Sieve got destroyed. All right, Sava, what you want to do here? I could take a starter position here and see if it can get up off of these levels, which I think I'm going to end up doing, and just risking a little dollar on these shares for right now, unless I want to add. So 1506. Yeah, adding there. And 50 will be my out for right now. We'll let it play. Whoops. $50, $15. I'll see if I want to add to it, but not looking like it's going to give me any time to add. 5. Waiting and watching. Hold that 50. It's 49.75 for an out right now. Looking to add to this. We can continue to hold up that 51. Nice. Added a little bit there. Right at my first add spot. Looking for it to hold up here. 49.75. Anything else? Everything else moving downwards. Sieve. Okay. WGN. Sabo. $51.10. Can we get up there and retest that 200 moving average? One minute, 15 seconds left on this one. Add it one more time to this one. See if we can get going. So 25 shares in. Stop. 40, 49, 75. See out. Hitting the 51, will it be a problem? Get that bounce back over the 51. A little bit of a bounce. We get another add spot down here. 51.10. The next add spot. It's already through that. Okay. Giving it some time. Can it hold up that 51? $51.05s. Can we see it? Nope. $50.66. It's going to be a problem. $50.90s. Might be a little bit of a drop here. Needs to get back above the 51s quickly. Can we see those 91s, 95s, all of that? See the 50, 95s. Start to hold there. There we go. Add it right there. So I got 51.26 as my entry right now. Looking for it to get a little bit of a push up if possible. See 50.95s. Can we see the 96s start to hold there? 50.96s. Let's see. Here we go. Let's see. 51s. Can we? There's a 51.01. Nice. Getting back into the 51s at least. Add it there a little bit more. So 51.20. See if we can get off these levels. 50.88s. Can we get up and off of these levels? 51.20s. 50, 70. $51.25 is what needs to break. 50, 68. Looking for a nice little pop back up. Just a quick one. Doesn't have to be massive. Looking for that 51.10 to start to hold. Okay. 51. Can we see the 51s come back in here? Can we get that 51.10? Can we see some green? Nope. All right. So they're continuing to push it down a little bit. Now that was a nice pull up. Add it right there. 40 shares in. Can we get this bounce? Nice. Very quick bounce. Looking for sell points. The VWAP. Let's see what it wants. What kind of action it wants to give up there. Bottom of this previous candle was the 50.70 or 50.67. So I'm not going to be too quick to give up this position. 50, low 50.67. Can we get a little bit of push up through those 70s? $51.50. See those 60s up there. There's the 60s. Where's that volume coming in? Let's get it. All right, there's a little bit of red there. As long as it holds this 50.67, I think I'll be all right. Needs to start holding that 51.50. Get those 60s up there. Not seeing those 60s just yet. Okay, 5170s. So the bottom of this count is a 5085. We'll see if it can get up through that VWAP. Okay. Can we get up there? Can we break that 5201? 52's nice. Can we break any higher? 5250 first take. Can we get it? 5218s. 52. Can we see the 5220s? Yeah, you know what? 5225. I'll take it. Come on, give me what I'm looking for. Right now, break even is probably gonna be the place that I'm gonna be out. I won't let it run against me. 50. Well, looks like it's gonna give me what I want anyway, huh? Let's see that 5250 break. Can we see it? If it keeps holding up here around the 20, I'm gonna have to take over the 20. Okay, needs to break the 25s. There's a 26, 34s. Okay. So it's gonna be that kind of game. Okay, taking right there on that struggle. Want to see the 25s come in, taking again. Locking some in. Can we see that 30? 5230s. Okay, taking. Holding 25. Need to see that 20 break and hold. Yeah. Taking at the 20 right there. Needs to, okay. Taking on the weakness. 22s. Can we see that pop through the 25s here? At this point, let's see, 5125. There's a 5230s in there. Can we get that 5250? $52.45s, 52.50 will be a take. Can we get it? 52.41, 52.50, break it. You got this. Come on, get through that 50 and hold. 53s. Get that push. Okay, couldn't get the push. Back under the 30s, I'm gonna have to take a little bit off. Yep, there's the 38s right there, taking a little bit. Still holding 10, looking for the break of the 52.50. There it is, 52.50. Can we see it? There we go, 52.74s. It's got to hold that 52.50 up there. Let's go. Okay, it's struggling here. Come on, get that strong push through there. 52.60s, could we see that? Okay, coming on down. So I took off a little bit more there, just locking in profit. These last 5 shares, I'll just hold as long as it stays above the 52. Let's see, there's a 5280s. This is another Subway sandwich. Can we get the 53 break? Let me switch this to one share. Can we get that break over the 53 here? Break down under the 70s. I start taking off. There's 70. Will we see the 60s? Come on, you got to get up. Come on. Get those 70s back in there. Nope. All right, taking. Need to see the 65s back on the bid. 66s. Can we get that pop through the 70s? '80s. All right, taking. Got up there to the 200 moving average, getting a little pressure to the downside. '71, still holding those 3 shares, looking for the break of the 53. Can we get those 90s in here? Okay, taking a little bit on that weakness. Still holding very small share size. Wanted to see that 70, but anything below that 60, I'm just going to go ahead and peel it off. There's the 89s. Can we get this push? Again, another failure. Let's get it. 80s. Yeah, taking a little time here. '75 needs to pop up on the bid. All I see is the 60s. Come on now. All right, selling there, holding one. Oh boy, still struggling to get that the 70s up there. So I'm gonna go ahead and look to take this. Let's see. You still want to push? Push on up, and I'll just look for something else to trade. It's 5281, taking its lovely little time. Another failure. I'm gonna take right there. All right, so got impatient, took right there. Let's look at my realized gains and losses real quick. So it was $1.59 on Sava. So watching it from this morning, man, I was like, this thing can probably pay me a little bit. But yeah, that's my trade. That may be the only trade I take today just to stay green and everything. But that was nice. Okay. If it wants to continue pushing, oh well. Took my percentage out of that. G-Tech got a nice flat top up there. I wonder, can it do a flat top break on G-Tech? I believe I was in TOS the whole time I was just trading. My bad, y'all. Y'all missed that whole trade. That's my fault. But I did take profit on Sava. Got in down here in this level here. I just realized that I was on TOS. Got in here, took this little ride up, and sold at the 200 moving average. Oh man, did not mean to do that. All right, so flat top 881. Sava still wanting to push up. Looks like it does want to get through that 53, but it just struggled around there a little bit too much for me. EVGO holding up these levels here. Much smaller range. Oh, SEV took a nice little run up here. Okay. Still red on the day. G-Tech holding these levels. I wonder, can he give another pop? Another small little pop here. Whoo! Gee whiz! Wow. I guess a lot of people were thinking what I was thinking. Wonder, could he give a pop? Now the shorts are going to kill him. So I am not looking for that one. Shorts about to get theirs. Sava. So it did break that 53 up there. Oh well, that was just a couple of more cents. So GT, like I said, those shorts were about to come in heavy. Everybody was thinking like me, oh, this break of 10 will be great. And now you see the shorts taking souls. EVGO is another one that could get back up if possible, but it's just got a smaller range. Let me look at everything else. Okay. G-Tech, did it go into a halt? Nope. But I am going to stop watching G-Tech. I'm done watching that one. Did the shorts choose violence today? They've been choosing violence all day. And that's why I always say, look, let the shorts get theirs first. Let them get theirs first and let them get uncomfortable. Then you jump in. Because they're going to get theirs. Oh, best believe they're going to get theirs. All right, so SEV still red on day. LGVN off of my watch. Is there anything else? Sava continued to push up. Oh well. Going up and retesting those highs probably. I sold what was my sellout? My last sale on Sava, 52.73. What was the last sale? 52.74 was my last sellout because it started struggling around that area. So I was like, nope, you're not going to do me like that. But it went another 30 cents. Sometimes it does that. Might go another $2. Sieve. G-Tech. Anything else? You don't trade Fridays unless it's early pre-market? Oh no, man. Friday early pre-market be some of the most volatile times ever. You step in front of a moving bus. Looks like an IPO just opened up. No, this isn't an IPO. ZIN, whatever this is. Yes, it is. But I don't know about touching that one. That's nasty. Compared to everything else that's moving. Okay, G-Tech. CNTX, small range. Sava still pushing. BKKT. There's another one I'll keep an eye on. BKKT. Oops. And I will get rid of G-Tech because that bad boy is done. All right, so BKKT is another one that's coming down into this dip. Ripped up here, got a nice little dip. I want to see if it can get any more here. So I'm going to jump in with very small share size. and try it out down here. A break over this 1902. Let's get ready to get in. Break 1901. 1901. 15 shares. How much time it has? 5 minutes left on this one. Do I want to get in now or what? Yeah, I'll take a 1901 and just sell over the top. Sell very quickly. See if we can get a little bounce. The out here is the 1870. Shares. Okay, got in there, got my stop out ready to go. If it doesn't want to act right, want to see a little bit more push through there. 1911. Be ready to take very quickly. Can we get a little bit of a push, maybe up to the 1920s, maybe? Can we see that 1920 up there? $19.20, can we see it? 1920 break. Come on. 1920s, can we break it? Taking a little bit there. I am playing against the trend, so don't really know what it wants to do here. Again, touching the 20s. Nice. 19s. 1930s. Can we get the 40s? Let me switch. Not holding that much anymore. Can we hold it up here? Selling there. Maybe wait for it to come back down some. There's the 38s. Selling a little bit. Can we see those 35s coming down, selling? 31s. Can we see the 40s? Selling. And selling right there at the top for that last little bounce. All right. So that was another little trade there. BKKT, Sava. Went up there and now it's kind of chilling out around that 53 area. I think I'm done risking my life for the day. Made my lunch money and about to go ahead and shut it down. Did you guys have any kind of questions or anything else, or any other stocks that y'all want me to look at before I go off? We got about 15 minutes until 10:30. That's why I say that. If you have any questions or anything, I'll just continue watching. I'm not going to take any more trades. I don't feel like risking anything else. So, you know, closed up the week very green. And everything was nice. Nice week. Got about 65 bucks in profit. BKKT. See, it did pull back. I knew it was going to pull back. Oh, musty stock. They have 2 employees. Daniel B was ripping on it in Ben's stream. Oh, Ben was streaming today. Nice. Nice. I know he had missed a couple of days, or a day, I think. All the days start pushing together. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and close it down. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you aren't subscribed, you can think about subscribing. And yeah, check out frameworkfortune.com. Lauren has hit a link in the chat. I see it. So yeah, go over there and join for free. If you have any conversations that may be happening in the stream and you want to continue those conversations, you can always take them over there on the website and you can see different members. You can probably just type their name in and see them on the site. But anyway, I was setting up everything this morning. I do not have my outros. I gotta reload those. So, but I still wanted to stream today, even though I was having problems. I wasn't having real internet issues or anything, so I could stream. But regular outro today, just boring, bland outro, and I'm just gonna close it down. Appreciate all of y'all, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.